At first glance, this looks impossible. Why would a wild warthog allow tiny mongooses to climb onto its face? Most animals would run away. But this warthog remains perfectly calm. Welcome to wild egg survival. Deep beneath the warthog's rough skin lies a secret that explains this surprising friendship. Ticks and insects constantly irritate warthogs in the wild. Within minutes, the tiny cleaners begin removing dozens of unwanted pests. Each parasite removed means less pain and less risk of infection for the warthog. And every parasite becomes a free meal for the hungry mongoose. This incredible partnership benefits both animals at the same time. In the wild, survival isn't always about strength. Sometimes it's about trust. Subscribe to Wild Egg Survival for more amazing wildlife stories. The warthog knows these tiny visitors mean no harm. Every movement is focused on finding hidden parasites. One by one, the unwanted pests disappear. The warthog remains calm because the cleaning feels beneficial. Sometimes an entire mongoose family joins the cleaning session. The tiny animal reaches places the warthog cannot scratch itself. Fewer parasites mean better health and greater comfort. This relationship helps both species survive in a harsh environment. Nature often rewards cooperation more than competition. The level of trust between these animals is remarkable. Even a powerful warthog sometimes depends on tiny helpers. This behaviour is passed from one generation to the next. Together, they form one of Africa's most fascinating partnerships. Who would have thought a tiny mongoose could help a giant warthog survive? Like, comment, and subscribe to Wild Egg Survival for more incredible wildlife stories.